my channel. Audrey Rose here. So it's a new year, 2019. I feel like it got here so fast, but we're in it, man, and we just got through the very first week of it. So congratulations, you did it, 2019. Now, if you're like me, you're seriously? These pets, man, they always do this. Where was I? Oh. If you're like me, you're probably somebody who tries to think of like a New Year's resolution, or probably doesn't even believe in New Year's resolutions because you're like, oh, I always try these and then they never work. Well, I'm not one to necessarily set New Year's resolutions, but I am one to believe in vision boards. That's what I do, okay? I don't make resolutions. What I do is every year I go around and I make these bad boys and make a vision board. This is my one from last year. And honestly, it really always helps me to focus, and it helps me to remind myself of what my goals are for the year instead of trying to hold myself accountable to just one resolution. So I was thinking, Audrey, this would be a perfect thing to share with you guys and for us to do together. So stick around, we're gonna make a vision board together, and I'll let you know everything you need to make your 2019 vision board. So let's do this thing, let's go. Alright, love, so one of the first things that I like to do whenever I'm making my vision board is first I like to think of like my goals, right? And I tend to write down everything that I want to make a goal of, starting from my work goals to my family goals to just like my personal goals, right? So one of the things that I would do is I would just get a notepad. A notepad is always your best friend. That is what, or a legal pad, that's gonna be your best friend, okay? It's a perfect place to sit down, really contemplate and really think about just like yourself and think about what you want. Kind of break things down in different like subcategories, and I'll start with work, relationships, spiritual, personal, and kind of go from there what each thing I think I would like to achieve for myself for the year, or what's sticking out of my mind for most important during that time, you know? The next thing you're gonna need, love, is some magazines. Now I know exactly what you're thinking, Cosmo. Well, Cosmo has some great articles. One, I'm always a fan of them. Two, I mean, it's not just about the sex here. We're not reading about sex, but they have some amazing articles. Plus they have like the cutest, most girly looking things to clip out here that always tend to match like my personality a little bit. So that's why I tend to prefer to use Cosmo magazines. You can use whatever magazine you want to use though, and get to the fun part as far as magazines and clipping. I also forgot to mention too, you also want to get at least like a poster board or something of that nature. I tend to do my vision boards always, if you'll notice it, that's on cork boards. And I kind of just pin everything that I want and kind of go from there. And just like that, we're done, I think. So check it out. I did it. The vision board for 2019. My 2019 vision board is done. I know. I always get really proud when I look at these because I feel so inspired after I did it because I spent so much time cutting things out. But bam, people, we're done. Dreams, goals, aspirations, they in here. We're gonna get this done this year. Next thing I usually do after I do this is I hang it actually in the wall that's facing my bedroom. And it's the wall that I face whenever I'm a side sleeper and I sleep on my side. So it's the wall that that I sleep towards. If that makes sense. The wall that I'm looking at when I'm sleeping at night. So it's the last thing I see before I go to bed, and it's also the first thing I see whenever I wake up. So that's how I like to keep it. That's what inspires me, and that's how I keep things pushing, you know? So anyways, I appreciate you stopping by and just giving this video a click and watching it for however long you watched it for. Thank you so much. Make sure if you liked it and you want more videos too, drop a comment below, give it a like, and also make sure you follow me on social media. I know everybody says that, but I'm really trying to grow my stuff here. So Audrey Rose 303. I will make sure there's like something here that you can see, but it's the same thing for all of my social medias. That's Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all that stuff. It's all the same, at Audrey Rose 303. I will catch you in the very next video too, love. So you have a good rest of your day, and go into this week knowing that you can accomplish anything you want to accomplish. Peace, love, be good. I will catch you later. Bye.